Hello, this is Mike Duran with Airitas Custom Tethering Solutions. And today I want to talk to you guys about the Max Hauler system. The system itself has an internal progress capture device or system at the top where the main pulley's at. And when we're raising the system up, the system itself will capture the load. So at any point on the way up or raising the load, the system will capture the load and hold the load for us so that we can readjust position and maintain that load while up in the air. When we do release the system and we have to lower the system down, now the full control is in the operator's hands or the technician that is handling the control line here. And the question is, what happens if, for one, the cam isn't engaged to capture the load on the way up, or on the way down, if somebody accidentally lets go or faints or falls, slips, trips and falls, and then what? They lose control of the system, therefore the system comes down uncontrollably. That happens. And we always work in redundancy. We come from a rope access background, redundancy is the name of the game. So what we want to do is make sure that if something does happen, the user or the controller can easily keep this system from falling to the ground. We don't want that to happen, right? So what we did is we added one more catch or one more grab to the system down at where the controller or the technician is going to be operating it anyways. And what we've added is very simple. We added a grab to the system itself. It's going to act as a redundant sort of catch. You could call it a backup, but it actually operates in two directions, not only while the system's going up, but when you go to lower it, you can actually use the device to help you lower with control, and then if something happens, we'll engage and capture the system if something were to fail as far as the user losing control. Okay, very easy little device, little easy catch here, little grab that we have, and very easy to put on. The device itself has little diagram that tells you exactly how to place the device. It's always pointing up towards our anchor or our load. Okay, and our anchor's up there, not the anchor that the device is connected to. It's either towards our load, and that's usually the way I like to say it. It makes it easier to kind of to grasp that. Always towards your load. Okay, opens up very simply, connected with a carabiner. The great thing about this device is it's midline attachable, meaning it can be attached anywhere in the system. You don't have to feed it from the bottom. You don't have to have it preset. It can be attached at any point at any time, so it doesn't always have to be on the system until you're ready to use it. Okay, very simple. It just opens up. The rope just places right in between the two cams here. Very simply, I'm trying to do it so you guys can see it a little bit. Right here right in between two cams. Very simple. Nothing too fancy to go with it. Closes, locks into your carabiner attachment. Now, the beauty of this thing is now here I have full control of the control line at all times. It's always captured, it's always being restrained. There's no way it can be released from up here and take off on me. Okay? By simply placing our catch here, our grab, we can be much safer with the process. We can actually raise the load a little bit and set it into our grab. Okay? Walk over here hands-free. Pop our system open, and now it's ready to release. Now the system is being captured by our grab here, and now we have full control here. Okay, now it's time to lower the system. So as we're ready to lower the system, very easy to manipulate this device. Has a little lever up on top that'll release the grab on the rope. So basically it acts almost as a small friction descent device. But it's made as a grab, not a descender, but it can be used because we have to be able to move the grab up and down. This is what the little levers for it, okay? So now, to kind of mitigate those hazards or concerns, we have this grab in place and grabbing the rope. It's not all us. When it's time for us to lower the system, you simply grab a hold of the grab, put some pressure on the little camming mechanism, and boom, time to lower. So now we have full control of the lowering. So if something were to happen, boom, system engages, it grabs. I'm lowering, I'm in a hot space, maybe I'm having trouble trying to stay awake, all of a sudden I faint, boom, system grabs. At no point can I move away, fall away, or lose my balance and the system fall free? Because of the capture system, because of the redundant backup or the safety system here, we can simply control our lower, and if something were to happen, again, it engages. Now, let's say our pulley is out of reach and we can't get up to the reset the cam to lock it to raise it again. Well, you can actually use this as your progress capture and your lowering, all of that in one. So let's say I couldn't reach that to lock it up again because I wanted to raise it up again with another load, another set of equipment, what have you. I could still haul from here. I could haul in, pull slack out, right? Let it rest. Haul in, pull slack out, let it rest. So I can actually use it as a progress capture system as well. So it's actually capturing my progress on the way up because I couldn't, for some reason, maybe I was out of reach or that set the anchor too high, what have you. You can actually control it from down here. Thank you very much. If there's any other questions, please let us know. You can reach us on our website. You can also email us if you do have our email. Give us a call here at the office. We were glad to help and answer any other questions. Thank you.